story's title is Easter Bunny Helper, Uni the Unicorn, an Amy Krause Rosenthal book. Pictures based on art by Bridget Barager. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It was the first warm day of the year. Uni the Unicorn was visiting a friend, enjoying the breezy weather when... Uni, look! It must be springtime. Do you know what that means?
What?
The Easter Bunny is coming soon! Every year, the Easter Bunny secretly delivers baskets with candy, and he hides colorful eggs in the trees, behind the fence, among the flowers, all over. I love the Easter egg hunt.
That sounds fun.
On the way to the land of unicorns, Uni heard a rustling sound.
Hello, can I help you? My name is Uni.
Oh dear, where are they?
Where's what?
My eggs! Have you seen them? They're very colorful. This basket was bustling and now it's empty. If they don't turn up, Easter will be ruined.
Oh no, I haven't seen any eggs, but I can help you search. Easter Bunny?
Yep, that's me all right. I'm supposed to be hiding the eggs, not searching for them. I don't know the first thing about looking.
The egg hunt was a little girl's favorite. Uni really wanted to help.
Well, I do. Let's split up. You search that way, I'll go this way.
Thanks, Uni. I'll meet you back here.
Uni looked around, wondering where to begin.
Now, where did the little girl say she finds the eggs? That's right, in trees.
Uni hurried to collect an egg, but...
Oh, it's a spring cherry blossom. Pretty, but not an egg. Maybe they are behind the fence?
Uni took a peek.
A lovely sign of spring, but not an egg. Chap, chap. I know. The little girl said she sometimes finds the eggs among the flowers.
Uni searched the flower bed, but...
It's only a fuzzy yellow bumblebee. I've looked in all of the usual places, but I can't find your eggs.
Me neither. But I did find a magical place called a grocery store. Maybe I can use these.
The eggs were plain and white. They were nothing like the bright spring colors Uni had seen all day. Then Uni had an idea.
Wow, Uni, these eggs are perfect now. There's just one thing left to do. You are a great helper, Uni.
The end. Happy Easter! Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.